JoJo, what are you doing? We're about to eat dinner.
What's it look like I'm doing, Mom? I'm eating ice cream and I'm watching Bubble Guppies.
But JoJo, I told you no more ice cream until you eat your dinner. I just made spaghetti. And that's your 5th carton of ice cream today. Now give me it.
Hey, no, Mom, I don't want to eat dinner. I want to eat ice cream. Now give it back to me, please. I want it back. I want it back. I want it back.
No, JoJo, not until you eat your dinner.
I want it, Mommy. I want it. I want it. I want it. I'm getting angry, Mom. I want it. I want it. Give me that ice cream.
Oh no, JoJo, you turned into your unicorn form again. Here, eat the ice cream.
Give me. Thank you, Mommy. I'm sorry.